Today we are transplanting one of the chestnut tree saplings. We partnered with the New York Restoration Project back in June and planted a few of the chestnut tree saplings. And so we just transplanted one of them from the North Campus to the South Campus.
I'm Jason Smith. I'm the Director of Northern Manhattan Parks for the New York Restoration Project. We're at City College planting a chestnut as part of the 1,000 Chestnut Challenge. It's a 1-year-old baby tree that we hope is resistant to the chestnut blight, which wiped out a lot of our chestnuts a long time ago, and we're bringing them back. It's a collaborative New York City-wide project, and City College has been a great partner. And go to NYRP 1,000 Chestnut Challenge. If you live in New York City and have room for a big tree and want to be part of a community science and restoration effort, hop on and sign up for a treat. It's an opportunity to do something direct to address the biodiversity crisis. You can come out to Highbridge Park, where we have the largest chestnut grove in any city. You can sit in the shade of a chestnut tree, which no one's been able to do in New York for a really long time. Or you can come to City College and try to find a chestnut. We're building a citywide database, and so we're going to be building a map where we track the health of these trees. They're a mix of different backgrounds, and so they're going to have a range of resistance to this blight, which has been catastrophic to the chestnut in the wild. And so we're going to be tracking them over many years, and it's an opportunity to learn about urban forestry and different forestry types. It's a very unique grassroots urban forestry initiative. We're going to build a database, and we hope to share it with science students who might want to do work on this project.